Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and today we are going to talk about 3D printed dentures and specifically how to care for them. A lot of doctors ask us, because it's 3D printed, a little bit different material, so how do patients care for these? So it's very similar to your standard denture, non-3D printed, but on the patient side, just make sure that they remove the denture, they give it a good rinse, just some warm water, and then brush it with a soft bristled brush. So nothing abrasive. You can use a denture cleaner, soak it 3 to 5 minutes in the approved denture cleaner. Once removed from there, of course, give it another rinse with again, warm water. Very important. You don't want to don't want it too hot. And then if the patient is going to put it back in their mouth, of course, remind them to brush their gums before they put it back in. It kind of goes without saying. But if it's going to be stored overnight, we want to make sure that they store it just in cold water. So a glass by their nightstand, drop it in cold water. That's it. That can be stored overnight. Keeps it nice and moist for the morning. We don't want them storing it in any kind of mouthwash or anything that can discolor that denture. So that should be about it on that. We do also provide a nice denture care for our 3D printed dentures. So these will come with every one of your cases from ROE Dental Laboratory. Any questions? Leave some comments in the section below. Please check us out at our website, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.